So I'm Ben, I'm a volunteer in the Carriage cleaning department. We meet every Thursday. I set the group up about 5 years ago.
I'm only here for coffee and donuts.
About 2 years ago, Brian came on board and been a massive help in sort of raising the profile of the group.
We have a team of people and we clean the outside of the carriages, including the windows.
It's a very important job in a lot of ways because having the clean windows, people that have come down can enjoy the views of our lovely railway.
Where are you from?
We're from West Sussex.
West Sussex, whereabouts?
Near Worthing.
Oh yeah.
It's a great opportunity to start down here. It's nice, easy, bit of light work. If it's something you feel like doing, it's a great experience, great bit of fun.
And why wouldn't you volunteer? I mean, a ride down through the beautiful countryside with friends and volunteers maybe that you've never met before. You go, coffee and donuts.
And are they the best donuts you've ever had?
They are when you've been working on this.
Go to Witchesham Road, have some fun cleaning the other side.
Hang on, I'm sure the compartment doors were the other side last time.
I'm back here for lunchtime.
It's a lovely place to be.
When the railway extends to Roberts Bridge in 2028, we've got the ex-Hither Green depot turntable, which means we can turn the rolling stock.
Bye-bye. It's an opportunity to meet other people off the railway and chat to friends and learn about other departments and other aspects of the railway and find out what other people do, which then might encourage us to join the commercial department, the guards department, the engineering department, the sales department, the catering department. So carriage cleaning leads to all these opportunities and find out what's involved and what you would like to do to spend your time and have some fun. All from carriage cleaning.
And what better place to be other than Tenterden Station on a lovely, bright, sunny summer's day.
Don't forget, just come and volunteer, it's great fun.